When you get there, you'll see stunning mountains all around you. The lookout gives you a perfect spot to take in the beauty of the Southern Alps. One of the best things to do here is to enjoy the view. Bring your camera because the scenery is pitch perfect. If you like hiking, there are some great trails nearby. The Devil's Punchbowl waterfall track is a must-do. It's an easy walk, and the waterfall at the end is worth it. You'll hear birds singing and the sounds of water flowing. It's really calming. It's a place you should visit if you like to see the true beauty of New Zealand. It's perfect for taking photos and making memories. Alright, that's it for today. Make sure to add other Pass Scenic Lookout to your travel list. See you next time!